Well, a lot of us say, boy, I missing in action, but I don't know where I go down. I have all right for missing in action right now, guys, because I mean, you know, I try to get on myself, you know, because as I say, guys, it's kind of hard for me, you know, it's really hard, you know. You know, my wife claims it's a prank and stuff, but coming home, come see what me see, you know, it's rough, you know, and any man can understand this, you know, come home and see what me see. Them can't relate to it and understand, you understand, because I mean, coming home, come see my wife sit down with her leg over my son. Listen me, man, it was too much to bear, you understand? Too much. Me just feel like she crossed the line when, you know, she went and did what she did with this prank, you understand? And I mean, she and him, they probably been planning this for the longest while, and I feel my son, him shouldn't even think of a prank like that, because first him should only think to himself, boy, when my father ever said for him see something like this, or come back up on something like this, you understand? But right now them never really take feelings into consideration, you know. She just went ahead and did whatever she did, and right now me can't forgive her for this, you know. I'm not gonna forgive her for this, you understand? You know, and I see a lot of you guys are comment and I say this and I say that, you know, some with it, some against it, and me understand how some of you guys feel, because some of them just see the joke and just see it as a prank and stuff, when some see it very serious. Some of them don't see it as a prank, neither. Me understand all of that too. You know, but as me say, guys, you know, my wife crossed the line and there is no forgiveness, you understand? You see her as me say, guys, you know, my wife crossed the line and there is no forgiveness, you understand? You see her try to, you know, get in touch with me. She called my phone, she had text my phone, she had this, she had that, and you know, right now, me just not have nothing to do with my wife. Me don't even want to hear her, me don't even want to see her. Right now, as far as me know, right now, me done. Yeah, me over with this, you understand? And I hope she can see it and move on too, because as me say, no sir, enough is enough. Me no sir, me just, me can't go back. Me just cannot. You understand, guys? Me have too much pride to go back there, so you understand? So I want her to figure out where she are going to do her next move, because as I said, me I do the same thing too. You understand? And also right now, which part me there right now? Me just cool right now. Me alright. I try to gather myself, and you know, I try to think about my next move, and you know, me good. As I say, me good. You understand? And I mean, me still a hurt, you understand, but I will get over it. I will, and I must get over it. You understand? Me just sorry say it come down to this, which part where we have to part ways. She go east, me go west, but it is what it is. You understand? Me never know, you know, to not come down to this when my wife stoop this low, but as me say, hey, she feel like, well, them boys, she had us to get back at me, and this is where she do forget back at me, but it's alright, it's done, it's over with, and we just have to move on. You understand? And as I said, guys, listen, man.
Big up, Wagwan, welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I got a little surprise for you all. And I go tell you all very soon. I think I go explain it to each and everyone really soon. Yes. In other words, to all my viewers and subscribe over there. You see that little button that we say join? Yeah, man, me go ask you if you can join the membership. When you join the membership, you get some perks and you help the channel for build and for grow to what I have planned in store. Also, when you join the membership, I will be, each week, I will be picking a random one or two random person to send a gift. That gift will be either a Rodney's sauce or a Rodney's t-shirt or a Rodney's kitchen and lifestyle merch. So those are some of the things that is coming up very soon. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you are one. There's a story going around, and when we look upon the story, me see a lot of people talk different things about the story. Knowing how me operate, before I say anything about the story, I went and I watched the videos. Now, who I am talking about, you see the thumbnail? Yes, me I talk about Kim and Bo. Now, what me have to say about it is, me go be honest about it. And I go be honest to 1,000,000%. Yep, 1,000,000%. Now, what me really want to say about this case is a different kind of case. This guy and this girl, wow. And before me get into it, you see? Before me get into it, me go really say this part. Age, A-G-E. That word have nothing to do with love. So to all the people when I talk about him too old for there with her, she too young for there with him, as long as she pass the age of consent, she have all right to do whatever she want to do. In the eyes of many people, that's not right. But to me, again, once you pass the age of consent, 18 years old, 19, 20, it's your opinion. You can, in other words, it's to me, once you can vote, or once you do, if you have any, what you would call a medical system, yeah, I don't take advantage of people. But once you're knowledgeable, once like Kim, yeah, there's nothing wrong with Kim. So Kim reached her age and she decided to be with this gentleman. Yes, guys, so I believe love is blind, love have no color, and love have no age. There's no age towards what love can do, because you can be just as him at his age and at her age, they love each other. Now, my viewers and subscribers, what I want to say, when I watch the videos, and I go be honest enough, you know me still, when I watch the videos, all I see was love. And if Mark, you know, if me wrong, me need to know if you tell me down in the comments say me wrong. But all me can see is love. You know, you can see that him love her, and you can see that she love him. Because to when me see in the video them, him carry her go everywhere. And she go everywhere with him. That's some good love right there. But nobody know what happened behind closed door or when the camera is not on. But when the camera is on, what me say is love. You see when him go meet him son down at Ochi. Them have a nice, tell you the truth, my viewers and subscribers, looking at it, you say,
One, sir. So Alicia Kim is a digital content creator who, despite public criticism, has been very transparent and candid about her marriage to her husband. He is several years her senior. If y'all have a problem with that, that's y'all business. Yeah. And she joins us now via Zoom to tell us how she found love in an age gap relationship. Hi, Alicia. Good morning.
Good morning, Simone and Janella. Be good.
You are beaming. You are glowing.
Thank you.
Is that love you're wearing, girl?
Oh, it's love.
We need more
How
of
did
that.
you guys meet, Alicia?
So, thank you guys for having me on the program this morning. We met through a family member. So, my husband was in Jamaica on vacation. My cousin gave him my number. And then when he came back to the States, he texted me on a good old WhatsApp. And we hit it off, but we didn't meet in person until 3 months after that.
Okay.
So,
Did it matter to you his age? Have you ever been that type of person who, oh, my dream guy or my husband should be 2 years older or 2 years younger than me? Did it matter any at all?
Janella, let me tell you, initially earlier on, I did have, us girls have our list of what we're looking for.
Right.
But let me tell you, when I met my husband, all that went through the window because all I felt was love, admiration, somebody that saw me and cared for me. So the age didn't play a factor at all.
And he's how many years your senior again?
37.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
37.
So tell me what that's like navigating that. So you're based in the US, you meet this man, you meet him 3 months later, you feel something that you know is love, but then you have the very practical, like day-to-day happenings, occurrences in the relationship. Tell me what the difference in age, how did you navigate that part of it when it came to day?
So I was in Jamaica. He lived in America. So we were long distance, getting to know each other over the phone. But to be honest, the age did not play a factor. But what I'll say, when we initially met, we would send songs back and forth. So I would send him like a Beyonce, and he would send me like a Patti LaBelle. We saw it play out in that way. But other than that, it was just, I don't know.
What about common interests?
Right.
Did you have interests in common? I mean, 37 years is a big gap.
Even when TVG have her on, me I try to pick the words, the right words. However, if you watch our videos and listen to her really good, then you can realize some serious love in the business, some serious respect, some serious love in the thing. Remember, of 5 years, they married for 5 years before this whole divorce thing go on. And if you notice, there is no saying from the man about she cheating. Just sit down and think about that. There's no cheating, nothing throughout the relationship with a older man. Also, I hear some people say, oh, the man have a problem down there because him have prostate cancer. But notice, the guy say, him beat the prostate and the thing up 100%. Stand firm. That's what he says, things stand firm. And here what I want to say to each and every one. That young lady did not leave him and go get anything outside. So that means that thing was working. That young lady didn't look frustrated. That young lady didn't look unhappy. That means everything was working good. That I feel them business doing. Me not getting at that part. Because that part is their business, not mine. Yes? But me just I say. But when you look on the video them, and you listen to her talk, when me get out of the video them she do, and the video where Boo do, can me go get to the Boo part, me go get to Boo. Me go get to Boo in a little bit. As a matter of fact, when me watch her video them, me realize if you listen to her talk, even the video where she make when she get the divorce, she asks a question. She says something in the video. And she still asks why.
Where you are asking me why, the why, it's like there's still a missing piece. And when I was speaking to my therapist about it, I think that is one of the things I struggled with the most, the why. And I thought if I knew the why, maybe I would have closure and I would understand it more. But I don't know why. I don't know why. So I know people say, you know, there's 2 sides to every story, 3 sides even. I can only give Kim's side, right? I can only speak about me. And when I was, honestly, I'm a YouTuber. So let me clear up a few things. I won't get into everything because I think I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do.
She still asks herself why. Why the relationship mash up? Viewers and subscribers, go on over there, go watch her video and listen to what she said good. Because I go tell her something, you see? And I go say this to you all out there, my viewers and subscribers. You see, Kim, Kim, if you are listening to this video, if you are watch this video, me subscribe to your channel. And you know why me subscribe to your channel? You're a smart young girl. You know which part you want to go. And you admit, say this is social media, and you put your life out on it, and it is fear to come out and talk to your subscribers and your people. And you say, there is some things I cannot say because of the court matter. But you tell your people what's going on. You never do like Chrissy. Yeah, you never do like Chrissy. Chrissy shut her mouth and cuss off everybody. You never do that. Even though people attack a lot of bad things about you, you didn't cuss off nobody. Respect for that. I mean, subscribe to your thing. And when your video, I watch your videos them. And when the ads them pop up, me watch all of your ads them right through because me I support you and want you to make more money and to better yourself, young girl. Keep on rising. Anyway, listen up. Miss Kim, if there's anything for beat you, then me go beat you still enough. But me go tell you the right thing still. But I saw me still. But anyway, me like how you present yourself. Even though this is a rough ordeal you've been into as a young girl, me respect how you deal with the situation. And before me go any further with Alicia, me go talk to you, Miss Abu. Let me tell you something. Yeah, man, let me tell you something. You see, in this world called life, do not take up something where you know you can't put on. Hold on, let me say it again. Do not take up something where you can't put on. You know, understand what I mean? You know your age. You know how old he is. You know, say this is a young, fine, nice, decent, pretty ass woman. I mean, skills. I may excuse me viewers and subscribe, but me have to go there, me have to put it out there. You know, you see how beautiful this woman is. And you take her up, married to her, carry her coming to the US. And from the day you're there with that woman, you is jealous of that woman. Yes, man. Yes, man. You never know say me I come around to it. Yes, Mr. Boo, you. From the day you're married to that woman, from the day you're there with that woman, from the first day, you know set eye on each other, you decide to start to serenade business. You jealous of that woman because you never know, so you could have find yourself with that woman look like that. Now, here which part the problem there with you now. You know say you're whole. You know say you're up in that age. You know say you have the problem, the prostate problem, and you beat it. And you think maybe it go come back. You know all of that. But you still a go on. You still a do everything right. She a do everything right. Uno a do everything lovely. I tell you the truth. I watch on the video, boo. Yeah, man. Boo, you need to watch this too, you know. Uno do everything perfect, man. I tell you some love. Hey, me see some video and I say, yes, man, lovely couple. They look so nice. They might enjoy themselves. I don't know go back to Jamaica there. Me I tell her, the trip them nice. The video them nice. We don't go up on the cruise ship there. The trip them nice, man. Me enjoy on the video. But boo, hear me now. You see, anytime you're there with a woman and something go wrong, never take back nothing where you give a woman. Never take back nothing where you give a woman. You boo, never take back nothing. Bed. Lord Jesus have mercy. Let me say this to you, boo. You see a bed where you buy give a woman and you take it back from her. And the reason why you take it back from her, in your head you think say she and man are going to sleep on it. Here's a little, you see her? You see a boo? You take up what you can manage. And then when hot water hit the fan, you change like a green lizard. Worse than a green lizard. Take away bed and all that. What kind of stupidness that? What kind of stupidness that? No, hold on a little bit. Before me go any further. You see? Now me go talk to Kim and Boo. Kim, are your time? Kim, you know, say you cause everything. Hold on, no chastise me yet, you know. Kim, are you cause everything, you know? Me I'll tell you how you cause everything. Kim, Boo is very jealous. And I think you know that, you know. But Kim, you see that prank there? Where you have your foot over Boo's son neck? That, if you don't know why or how the relationship has up, let me tell you. That prank, you see, Kim, that prank was and is the prank will mash up the relationship. Let me explain. Boo up in her age. Boo a big man. Boo knows him have problem. Ask any man this. Ask any man. Yeah man, ask any man if them go home and say them woman, wife, girlfriend, not care who that person is, with their foot over the shoulder. of a man or their son or anybody named human man, ask them what is going to happen when they go in at them house and see that. Me go tell you this. If Boo did have a pew pew, remember me tell you maybe the two of you that he did. Remember me tell you this. Remember me tell you say if Boo did have a pew pew, you'll have two unalive people and Boo gone to prison. The way your Boo love you and Boo come in and say that? As a matter of fact, me never like call this name Boo business, you know, because I not call no man no Boo, you know. Anyway, me go use it still, but I wonder why you name Boo. Cha. But listen what me I say. Boo cannot angle where him see. Now, my viewers, so Boo call a meeting with his son after the prank. So if him call a meeting with his son after the prank, that means he's still in him head. And him want the son to tell people, say it was only a prank and so on because him a look something to make him feel better. Yeah man, him a look something to make him feel better with himself. Say nothing now go on between the son and the wife. That is what happened to Boo. And if you look, you see Boo face? Yes, Boo face tells it all. And then the son say, I hope you now say everything all right and you know all right. By the son saying that, he look more in him head after them gone. You know me a man, you know. And me a talk to you as a man and as a man where me a 52 years old. And if me have a 24-year-old or a 25-year-old girlfriend, hot and look nice and look good, and me seeing foot over my son shoulder, any which part pa my son body in foot there, and my son hand a touch leg, what? There's no way she can tell me say nothing now go on. A prank, you could have tell me say a prank a million times. You know what the problem with us in the world? We know put yourself in a situation and tell yourself the truth. Because me I go tell you why me I talk about this is because me see and realize what really happened to Boo. Boo jealous because it's a young girl, and then worse, Boo see this whatsoever prank them call with his son. Boo can't manage that. You hear me I say? Boo can't manage something like that at all. And that is what happened. Yeah, that's what happened in this case. That's why she said she wonder what happened. Because guess what happened? Even though them break up, she still did have feelings for the man. If Boo never did go on so bad, maybe that relationship would have go back to. But Boo feel like him cannot control anything anymore. So when we see people that talk about Boo offer money and Boo this and Boo that, me not think that. Me not lie to you, me not think that. Me not think Boo I worry about no money or nothing. Boo get mad and upset and know say there's ways for mash her up by make she pay all the money and all them things. But if you realize, Boo dropped that case. Yeah, Boo dropped that part. So now she not have to pay him no money at all. Yeah, all of that part drop, I believe, yes. I believe all that part drop. If I know so you go, comment down below, let me know if me wrong, alright. But my viewers and subscribers, Boo and Alicia Kim case is one of them cases where hold on a little bit. Let me stop a little bit. Old boy, big man up in a age. I want me to talk to now. Yeah, you and me. Yeah. You see, when you look at a relationship and you go out there, you pick up this hot young girl, think before you put wood in the fire. Yes, man, me say it, man. Think first before you put wood in the fire. Because I tell you the truth, you know. There go comes a time when she as a young person need to go. And you have to respect that. You have to respect the fact that she need to live her life. Yeah, man, always respect the fact that she have to live her life. So put yourself in her shoes and say to yourself, well, this girl is 70 years old. Yes. Well, we have to be honest, you know, man. We have to be honest to ourselves. You at a certain age and you date a person in them 20s. You have to know, say, you have to have the heart to let go. And this is how me always I tell people now. Be careful of what you take up. Because anything you take up, make sure you can bear to lose it. If you can't lose it, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Yeah, man, always remember, if you cannot afford to lose it, leave it alone. And guys, young guys, middle-aged guys, old guys, you see when you don't buy a woman something, when you buy a lady something, and the relationship goes sour, leave the lady with the thing. Let me tell you this. When you buy it for her, everything was good. Now that's you and her not in a nothing again, you want to take it from her. There's only a certain set of man stay that the way there. Yeah, man. There's only a certain set of man stay that way. You if you stop it, man. You if you stop it, if you don't buy the woman a chain, a chopperita, no matter what you buy him, and the relationship over, leave the lady with it. It's hers. You never buy it for yourself, you buy it gear. As a matter of fact, when you take it from her, what you going to do with it? Let me ask you this. When you take it from her, what are you going to do with the thing that you take from her? You go throw it away or you go give her next woman? No, you swear me I talk about? You go give her next woman or you go throw it away? You go destroy it? Well, where you go destroy it for? Who you go destroy? Not her, but your own money. But to all of the people out there where watch the Alicia Kim case and the Boo videos and thing, this is just my take from it. Because right now the divorce is final and she said that she go just live. She said she not sure if she go married again because now she realized that marriage is a business and she no want to get involved in that anymore or again. And you have to understand her. You know, the first time you get married, you get divorced, and it turn out to be something, you know, mash up your brain. And she also explained a lot about when she get the divorce paper, you know, because a lot of people I say a stage is stage, but she said the reason why she did have that camera around is because she expect it, because she get some papers in the mail. But you know, me listen to her. Me like how she put herself. Me like how she talk about her situation. And me like how she do the angle business. You know? Where Boo concerned, because I don't know why not change the name. Where him concerned, I believe say look as if him come to the terms. He look like him come to the terms of realize that she gone. You know? Yeah, man. Realize that she gone. The only thing would I like for she to do is when she had do live, when she had do her video them, she do her video them. But, you know, let me say this too. Let me say this. You can't make people stop your life. Because if they go find you, then go find you. People will go through the extreme to find you. And if they go find you, then go find you. There's nothing you can do to stop them from finding you. So, it doesn't make no sense you worry about certain things. Because, again, if them all find you, them all find you. So, it doesn't make sense you worry about them not go find you or if them all find you. But, the thing what me have to say is, be safe out there, Kim. Respect yourself. Respect your life. And Kim, listen to this boy I talk. See, before you go in any other relationship, go to the lawyer, you see? And so when you go to a lawyer, make the lawyer write up a paper, give you, that stated that this is what you have. This is all yours. Yeah. Any money I go there with again. Make sure you write up a paper of what you own. Everything you own. And put your mother name on it. That's if in case of anything if happen to you, them not get your things. And your mother get it. Because let me tell you something. You see this alimony thing where Boo did have pan you there? Me don't know about down Florida there. Me don't know about that law there. I think that law there kind of different. We didn't come on to that. But you see where me live? Me know a lady where pay alimony to her ex-husband until he pass away, until he unalive. Yep. She have to pay him money every month. And guess what you do with the money? Go a bar, go drink. Yeah, man. And them would have kids together. Yeah, them would have kids, them have 2 kids together, and she still have to pay him alimony. So the next time you get yourself in a relationship, make sure you have everything signed on paper. Yep, this is mine, this is for me. And I make no boy come in and in an argument over your things. Because, tell you the truth, you're a smart girl and you go places. With your channel, you go places. So, my viewers and subscribers, that is it. That I eat. I eat that, man. Yeah, man, I eat that. What we say? I eat that. Oh, that sound? That sound good? Come here, look for your sound, you know. I eat that. I wonder if that sound good. Tell me if that sound good down in the comment. I eat that. Yeah, man. So, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, No see a word, peace and love. I eat that. I'm out. Peace and love.